103.
What's up, gang? It's your girl Rissa doing a voiceover for Halloween using my Gots to Be Glued in tissue to show you how you can, be on a budget and still look, kind of scary, nice for Halloween. So first you put the Gots to Be Glued on your face, and then you measure out the tissue, to the size of the flesh wound that you want it to be. And then you're going to do, Gots to Be Glued tissue, Gots to Be Glued tissue about 3 times so you can make it kind of thick. I'm just showing you here, how you just put the glue on and then put another layer of tissue. Then put the glue on and another layer of tissue. Sorry y'all, my lighting kept messing up on me. I have to get me a ring light ASAP. I'm feeling myself. Okay, then I'm doing the same thing to make a flesh wound on my forehead as well. The Gots to Be Glued, the tissue, Gots to Be Glued in tissue. You want it kind of thick, so it kind of looks like your skin is peeling once it dries a little. My bad, y'all, about the music too. So sorry. I'm feeling myself, y'all. Okay, yeah, let it dry. It's gonna be kind of like you making paper mache. Then you're gonna dig little holes in the middle of it to make it look like that's the burn mark. And then don't pat it down, but leave it, sticking up a little bit to look like the skin is peeling. Yeah, like that. And it'll look like the skin is peeling. Let that dry a little bit more. Okay, so now you're gonna go in with a red burgundy eyeshadow just around the inside of the hole to make it look like it's a fresh, burn mark. Just around the insides and kind of a little bit around the outside of it. Then you're gonna go and outline it with the little black eyeshadow around the outside of the red mark to look like the burnt skin. And you're gonna do that to each wound that you made. And then apply your foundation on top of the tissue to look like your skin is peeling. Apply it all around. Make sure you blend it in. Hopefully you blend it in a little better than I did, but it will work. Yeah, blend it all around. Make sure there's no white showing. In with that burgundy shade and the black shade to kind of blend it out a little bit from where you put the foundation and it kind of disappeared. Then from here you're going to put eyeshadow on your eyes and black eyeshadow, sorry, any kind of black eyeshadow on your eyes and along your waterline to make your eyes look a little sunk in a little bit. And then you're going to apply like that red and burgundy eyeshadow on top of your eyelids, on top of the black, and then under like where you usually put your concealer to make your eyes have like that shadow effect. Yeah, that sunken in shadow effect. Then I use my NYX Kitten Heels Liquid Suede lipstick just because it's red and I wanted it to look like fresh blood, fresh burn mark and not like an old burn mark. But you can definitely use fake blood. I couldn't find mine, so I said, oh, I'll just go ahead and use, you know, this to make it look like it's a fresh burn mark. And then you're just going to apply this anywhere, you know, on your face and your wounds, and then apply black lipstick. You know, I use the black lip liner just to cover my lips, just for the effect of looking dead. And then I applied the same maroon eyeshadow to have that shadow look on my face. And then apply some more of the liquid suede for the burn effect, look like the just burn effect. Yes, I think that's it. Hope you guys like the look. Pretty simple, pretty cheap, you know, stuff that you already have at home. You know, you could just use a simple red lipstick, simple black eyeshadow, some tissue, and some gel, and there you go. You don't have to go out and spend all that money on latex and all of that. Thank you guys for watching. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Let us know what you want to see next.